Well, it's time to close the window, let down the blind, and dusk falls on Shiredale. So I'm on with laying a bit more on the layout, but look beyond the gadget and there's a little squirrel. Yeah, we've got the buttons that we need. Dark green up here. Just keep going with it. We'll put a bit of brown here as well. When we add some grey, we can add some little farm buildings, farmhouses. That's that for now. Get your head round it. And then put a few in the lid like that, and then you've got your tray and your pins are going to stay in one place. TT tip. The TT120 platform is 14mm deep, so 12mm ply with like the sandwiching to get your brick effect and some, you know, square on jeweler screwdriver notches in. And now I'm just going to put a coat of matte on it. So now there's a bit of drilling going on here and to the underneath of the baseboard in situ. Full car system, I hear you cry. Well, no, I'm going Magnorail. I've never tried it before. I bought this, the variable speed supply, and an extension pack to get the track long enough behind my Hornby diorama for the TT challenge. And so I've stripped it right back and started again. We've got 3 weeks to get it sorted, so we better get underway. And a whole new system that I've never even played with before. What could possibly go wrong? Let's find out. Yeah. a bit of luck, I'll line it up to where it should be. Just taking a little bit more out of the backs of these. First time I offered it up. Marking out these slots because this back piece is now going to have to be cut off. Yeah, we've got the buttons that we need. This is the bit I've been so brutal with. Remember, we're putting another point motor there. This is the bit that's going to house the Magnorail. This is the only bit I'm going to have to drill into the windowsill to let that in. Right, I'm going to get these snipped out, and by the wonders of photography, we can make it go really quick. Now let's join them all together. It's marked out, but it's just roughly cut, you know, because it's all going to be covered. See, now I've let a piece of track into the recess. Okay, I'm just putting this last screw in here. And at the other end as well, I've just used a bit of sellotape just to join those two pieces together, but you want that edge very square, so I've used the square ends of the sheet. Yeah, I've tacked down the plastic with track nails, track pins, and I'm laying this, and it's very flexible. Move this in, and it's very rubbery is this road, and it's sticky backed, and it's very thin, so it will go round bends. I've had to put 2 screws in here. And then right up to the end. And then underneath the baseboard. So just a quick one on this, I'm putting another Hornby decoupler unit here for this siding. I'm using Pico track, and these Hornby decouplers only fit in Hornby track, and they fit in these segments at the ends of the track. So I've got the shortest pieces that Hornby do. I've put 2 pieces together. I've let this in, and there's full instructions on how to do that. You've just got to get this little piece the right way around. When you've got it all together, make sure that it goes up and down nicely. And then I've joined the 2 tracks together. I've offered it up to here, found out where I want it with regards to my surface top point motor. And I've got to use these, remember, because I'm on a windowsill. And then clip it. Oh my goodness, it's just starting to throw it down. So I've got the washing in, had some jeans on the line in the garden. But yeah, I can't sunbathe now. Good excuse to keep modelling. Now I've just got to join all the wires up. And one at the end. So I've got all the wiring done, apart from the points and the decouplers. The wiring is completed. All the lighting, the signalling is in. There's another signal to go here. The block detection's in. We're going to talk about that later. We're ready to take it all upstairs. Just feeding the rest of these wires through now.